guys, these are the 13 days plants. If you see, this is not grown yet because those are latest and they take time for growing. Guys, I'm taking these thingies. It's like a similar of cucumber. We'll put this whole bag inside only like this. And then I'm putting this place, something called place. We have a timer. In that timer, we are going to set like the water pump will be up like on when for 15 minutes and off for half an hour. So let us start the pump. See? So we need to take care about 2 or 3 things. Number 1 is the plant should be having sunlight for 3 to 4 hours. Like I just said that about the water pumping. And the third is that it should have nutrients inside. So today is an 18th day. And see how does the plant look. Those are the corianders. This is mint. And this is something starting with B, basing, something like that. And this is So this hydroponic is of 35 days. And see, these are corianders, chilies, again some corianders. This is basil and this is cucumber. It's spinach. So it looks too fresh, see? Yummy! It's too good. So today is the 46th day. So today we are going to harvest all of the plants and see the roots. Wait, see this? Those are the roots. I'm going to harvest this, all of them. These are the roots. See how satisfying it looks. Now I'm going to see this. This is not audible. These are spinach. This is basil. Everywhere. I'm again going to take the spinach. Look, see this are the big ones.